guys are wondering what I'm doing here, I'm basically just folding all of the orders and the packing slips and marking any important information that me and my mom need to know and making the order. And then I just rip up all of the labels one by one so that we can put them on a clipboard. And then you'll see the calendar there. I like to write any important appointments that I need to remember. I look at that calendar a lot, so I just like to jot down anything that I need to do that day or any important appointments that I need to make sure I'm looking out for. And then over here, I'm just answering YouTube comments. I like to go over all the comments and answer any questions that you guys may have for me. And then I check emails, of course.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do? Where's the life? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know.
Hey guys, so I'm in a different room right now. I'm actually in the new office. So we had a spare bedroom in the house and I needed an extra space where I could work. It's getting kind of cramped. Where me and my mom work right now, and we need more space to be able to get more machines. So I talked to my dad and I was able to convince him to let me have one of the spare rooms in the house. So now this is going to be the office. So right now I'm in here, I'm trying to get some measurements to see how I want to put the desks, because my hubby is in medical school, so he also needs a space to study and be. So I want to set it up so that two people can be working here at the same time. So I want to map out the floor and measure out and see kind of how I want to do the setup. Let me show you guys kind of what it looks like. I still have to paint. We have to change out the curtains. There's like an AC unit in here I want to get rid of. But it's actually the perfect place to do an office and for storage. Like, there is so much storage here, and I can't wait to start being able to put things in here so that the workroom looks less crowded. My little baby's running around in here. So when you walk in, this is what it looks like. This is a connection to another room that we have. So you have that here. And then over here, next to the door, you have a full closet, which is just for storage. My sister used to be in this room, so she made this room like a shoe closet. So her and her husband used to have their shoes in here. And then me and my mom are thinking in here would be the great place to put all of the tools for the tutus, packing supplies, like anything that's extra that doesn't have to be in the other room. Excuse me. So then in here is a little walk-in closet area, and you walk in here, you have a little mini fridge. This household loves mini fridges, so we have a mini fridge in every room in this house. So this is also a great storage. We have storage up there, here, in there. We can also do this like an office space, but it's a little crammed, and I think this would just be a great place to just put more storage, or even in the future just more machines. Hey honey. She is no, en la boca no. She gets scared every time we tell her no. She does this. Can I have that? Thank you.
Broken, never look back to the ocean. Stuck now, you'll meet decide, and the fear leaves me blind. You
So this is what it looks like. I think this is gonna look really nice with 2 chairs here, and then they have this table that curves. So, yay, I'm excited. Are you excited, baby? I have to put like a little playpen or pack and plate here for her so that I can be in here working. Mama. Yay, are you excited? Aw, this is where little Alessia Cole's gonna be run. Babe, vamos, let's go. Alessia, ven. Ven. Mira, Juan. Ven, Alessia. Ven. Va. Tú no te puedes poner así, I'm sorry.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down.
Okay, so someone recently asked how it is that we pack the tutu outfits, the tutu shirt and the tutu skirt. So basically what we do is the tutu, we place it in a larger bag. This is like a 13 by 10 bag. My mom puts it in a way so that it doesn't go super wrinkly.
Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that's.
And then we use these priority regional rate box A. So anytime someone purchases a tutu set from us, I always upgrade the shipping. And I also do free shipping for this. So she puts the tutu in first, like so.
All day videos are now available in the new application. Download
And then she puts the shirt on top. Guys, so I just wanted to jump on here and say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this studio vlog number 2. I feel like I've been getting a lot of good feedback on my last studio vlog, so I think I'm going to continue doing them. If you really enjoy the studio vlogs, make sure to let me know down below. So, as you saw, I have a new room in the house. It's going to be the new home office. So this area here where you guys see where my computers are, that's going to be I'm going to be moving that over there to the other room. And then over here where this desk is now, we're going to have room to put 2 of the larger embroidery machines. So the next thing that we want to do is get a multi-needle embroidery machine. So that's our next goal. My next project is going to be setting up the home office. I have to buy all of the desks and stuff like that in there. I want to put a TV in there for when I have the baby with me while I'm working. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure to like this video down below and comment of anything that you guys would like to see next. I know there's a bunch of new people here on my channel, so welcome. My name is Adelaida, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
That's all I
Say bye.
want to.
Bye-bye.
I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon.